sis, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jan, welcome. And if you're all but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. Today I am super excited. I am going to be unboxing what? Apple Watch. Oh my god, the SE series. I love this, and this is the 40mm. Oh my god, band. I am super excited. I had Apple Watch before, loved it. It was just giving me reaction and stuff like that, but Ramadan is coming and I need something to motivate me. I'm just coming back from Kuri PC World, so I am super excited to unbox this product with you guys. Let me just show you guys what we have here. I will just change the angle. Okay, give me a minute. Okay guys, so let's open it together. This is the satisfying part, I feel like. Is it not? I hope the angle is not awkward. Oh my god, this is so cute. These are the things that it comes in with, the band and all that. Hopefully we'll focus. Come on. These are all the details. This is the band, but let's see. Oh my god, I am so not good with unboxing. Oh, is that satisfying? I am so excited. Look, 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 look. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Oh my god, it tells you all the details you need to know here. Oh god, sorry. But this is the band, and I'm gonna be gentle with this. How do you... Oh, oh, I thought I asked for black one, but this one is looking more like blue. Anyways, and this is where the thingy is for its whatever. I'm sort of with this. Sorry guys, the angle is very awkward. It's so cute. This is the charger, obviously, for the Apple Watch, which is good. And obviously this, oh come on, this is where the Apple thingy is. Oh my god, Jen. It's so cute. I love it. So we're just gonna, I think before it used to come with extra, but for some reason I feel like this time it's different. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna put this in. Okay. Okay. I think that's how it is. And then okay, this is a watch. So cute. We're gonna pair it with my phone now. Just give me a minute. All right, so I'm just gonna turn this on. I think that's how you press to turn on. Okay, just turned on now. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I'm gonna pair it with my phone. By the way, I have iPhone 12 Pro Max, so hopefully it will pair very well. By the way guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video so YouTube can push it. Okay, the pairing is happening. So cute. Let's see. Okay, so and I may take a moment. Just setting it up. I'm just gonna use it as a new watch because it's new year, new me, so what's the point? Anyways, let me just leave them there together. Yeah guys, it's pairing up Okay, so you just have to agree. Guys, who reads this, like, for real? Terms and condition, who reads it, like, for real? I know I don't. Do you? Guys, I'll be back when you finish setting up. Okay, I don't think I want that. Create a passcode. Guys, I'll be back. Okay, because I don't want you guys to be on my business. Okay, so basically it's saying the text message if you want to make it bigger, but for me I feel like that is fine for me. And okay, okay, great. Guys, so basically still setting up my Apple Watch so I can use my phone while waiting for everything to sync. So I'll be back when that one is done. I like the fact that you can still use your phone while, you know, it's updating the Apple Watch and stuff. But yeah, be back. Okay guys, my Apple Watch alerted, so it's basically telling me that it's done. So these are the things it's trying to sync to, and then I can change the face, the designs that I want and all that. I don't know. Oh yeah, actually that's not too bad, but yeah, it doesn't give you that much. Okay, that's a lie. Okay, anyway, so you choose basically for your screen, for your watch screen, you choose the design that you want. That's what you want, you can go for that. And I truly don't know which one I want to go for yet, but we will see here. Okay, maybe I'll go with this one. That should be on the screen now. So start. Guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I put my password, you just, guys, this is it. That is it for this unboxing. I still need to spend time to learn this Apple Watch and stuff like that. But anyways, actually I didn't even put it on my wrist to show you guys how it is. Give me a minute, I'm struggling. Oh my god. Anyways, it fits perfectly in my hand, and this is the 40 mil. This is perfect for me. I feel like I'm gonna buy like those cute band for it, because yeah, I hope I'm making sense. But this is it. Still need to learn this, because to be honest with you, I want to see all the apps. Okay, here all the apps are here, but it just closes up like quickly, like come on. Anyways, can you guys see that the screen goes? Okay, I need to set this up. I need to learn the things, but try, come on, respect yourself please. These are all the apps. Any hoozles guys, that is it for this unboxing. I know it was chaotic, but I'm still learning this Apple Watch, so it makes sense that it's gonna be chaotic unboxing. But yeah, what do you guys think about this watch? I cannot wait. I need to track my step. I am someone who likes challenge, so me setting up a challenge, seeing that I'm achieving my steps and all that stuff, that keeps me motivated. And this year, my health is in center of everything for this year, so I just want to make sure that I'm actually focusing on my health and stuff like that. So having this will definitely keep me accountable and keep me focused. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment down below, let me know if you have this watch and what do you think about it. Is it truly worth it? Because I still have about 1 month to see if it actually worth it or not. So make sure you leave your comment down below, so that way I can decide if I want to keep it or not. But yeah, thank you so much for coming. I truly appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. I love you. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye besties.